Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a text header and text footer in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do is navigate to your text document on Bluebeam Revu and then navigate to Batch here at the top. Here choose headers and footers from that menu. Select and confirm the document you would like to edit, which is exactly this one here in the tab. Click into Next. And then guys, you can go through, or you may go through that header and footer setup. So you can, for example, save your settings for headers and footers as a template. For example, once we have customized it, click into save here, give it a name. We're not going to do this, we're going to set it up first. So what you want to do is adjust the page margins here by using these up and down arrows to the top, bottom, left and right. Then, for example, choose a font for the header here. And the font size, as well as the font color, italic letters, bold letters, underline. And here guys, what you want to do is enter the header. For example, header text like, I don't know, example header, right? Or title or something like that, example title. And you will see the header here at the top. You can also position it in the top right, top left, and do the same with the footer, like footnotes, for instance, right? And then that's basically it, guys. You can confirm that by clicking into OK here at the bottom. And that is going to add the header and footer, as you can see here. And also here at the top, the header. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.